We are back with the new FFL that no one's going to watch, Snow Edition. Well, maybe some of y'all will watch my Snow Edition. Some of y'all might not be able to hear me because of the purposes of the snow. But hopefully the phone does not fall. My request for MVP is right here. Snowy purposes too, so more snow, more the merrier. Of being a chance of this valuable player. Vulnerable, what the heck? Anyway, wearing the away jersey because it is snow, and snow plus away equals snowing and away. But let's go. Holy moly! I did not turn around and see the snow. Came through the driveway. Doesn't matter. Here is my request to be MVP. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Touchdown. Let's go. How about that touchdown? Let's go. Touchdown, baby. Give it to me. It's cold in this atmosphere. I said, woo! It's cold. Oh, it's cold. Y'all are good, right? Good? Good. Set, go. Go! Let's go, baby. Say go. Oh, fuck. That's cold. It's so cold out here. I lost it. Zach, go. I'm not giving up. Go. I got it. All right. Rate that catch. I'll just go 1 to 10. We're going to do one more coolest catch. First one to catch it. I caught it wins. Let's go. Go. Woo! Touchdown. down. Where's the Eagles at? Where's Tampa at? Where y'all at? Set, go. Where them winter teams at? Where them winter teams at? Holy crap. I am so cold right now. Where them winter teams at? Where's Andrew at? Where you at? I can't feel my legs. It doesn't matter. Shout out to my boy Andrew. Woo! MVP request right here.